I often jump into Fusion 360 when I need to do some CAD. Apparently, plasticity has made a name for itself, and it seems to be hovering globally. Let us dive in and see how well this software performs. I think the best way to jumping straight into plasticity, I look for the new pretty wild to I kind of just guessed what layer it's kind of the top a little bland, pressed down. I wanted to snap it. Did not work. Here I just worked on smoothing some of the edges. I see that it has a trim tool, so I just went to town. It's really simple. And again, This last part was a little bit difficult to get it to bevel or fillet, I just end up going with a circle and then trimming. Again, this isn't the software fault, it's mine. Now with all the lines done, we just do a simple extrude for 2 millimeters. After 3D printing, I noticed that I was a bit too small on the parts that will be holding the bathroom equipment. So I jumped back in, which is a good spot indication of where we'll deal with corrections after a part has been made. I simply went in to the major curves and made them bigger by scaling and then rebuilding everything around them. I'm not a huge fan of this method, but again, I'm still super new to this, and I'm surprised how whatever I decided to change just worked. After some final adjustments and widening up the bottom part, we were ready to print. So, my final thoughts. I am super impressed with the software. I love the fact that you don't really have to put too much thought into what you're doing, and I can totally see its potential. Although I'm super new, I plan on using it to get a little bit better at it, but it definitely helped make this practical device. Thanks for watching.